Assalamualaikum, selamat siang. Kembali program studi Magister Manajemen Pendidikan Tinggi Sekolah Pascasarjana UGM menampilkan kuliah tamu yang kali ini mendatangkan Profesor Jian Deng. Beliau dari Departemen of Education and Future Design, Tamkang University, New Taipei, Taiwan. Profesor Deng akan menjelaskan mengenai bagaimana pola studi yang akan disampaikan di dalam kegiatan di universitas, karena ke depan, di masa depan itu tantangannya akan berbeda. Nah, beberapa skill yang diperlukan para lulusan supaya mereka bisa berkarir dengan baik dan bisa beradaptasi dengan lingkungan kerja yang baik adalah salah satu adalah modal sosial, kemudian ada modal kapital sosial, kemudian juga economics, dan juga mobility yang disampaikan nanti akan dijelaskan oleh Profesor Deng. Bagaimana mobility adik-adik mahasiswa lulusan baru nanti bisa berkarya secara global. Nah, kegiatan ini menjadi salah satu kegiatan kerjasama antara program studi Magister Manajemen Pendidikan Tinggi dengan Departemen of Education and Future Design Tamkang University. Selamat mengikuti kuliah atau mungkin penjelasan dari Prof. Deng. Terima kasih.
Almost become my second home as a student. And so it's very good
My topic today is about education in higher education, what happens today, and then it's about how we cultivate the talent in a global world. And so what is this topic very important is mainly because firstly is we see today the artificial intelligence and the robots become more and more in our world, or involved more in our daily life in the coming decade. So probably someday you will see the robots to work with us together. Someday you will see the robot will become the main caregiver to take care of our elders. So the one question is, will robots, will artificial intelligence will replace our job? So, and what is our strategy for that? That is first. The second is today many young people, you are born as a digital generations. So the learning is very different to the way 20 years ago, 30 years ago. So we have to change the learning style. Today, people are learning, you can through the app, through the ChatGPT. So you get a different kind of way of learning compared to the older generation. So we cultivate the student in different way.